The alarm clock blares at 6 a.m, sharp and unforgiving. Ain't no snooze button for Bradley. He's up and ready to face the day. He's got a factory to get to, a smart one at that. Every minute counts. Coffee's on and he's checking his phone, multitasking like a pro. The traffic app's lit up like a Christmas tree, red lines everywhere. Seems like everyone else is up early too. But Bradley's not worried, not one bit. The app's got his back, rerouting him through the best possible path. It guides him through side streets, skillfully avoiding the morning gridlock. This saves him gas and frustration, two things this working man doesn't need. Efficiency is key. Plus, less time in traffic means less pollution. It's a win-win for Bradley and the environment. He pulls into the factory parking lot right on time, not a minute wasted. The app even helped him snag a spot near the entrance, a small victory. This is what technology is all about, making life easier and more efficient. Gotta love it. Bradley sure does. Gone are the days of punch cards and time clocks. Bradley walks into the factory and heads straight for a sleek kiosk. It's like a giant tablet, greeting him with a friendly, "Good morning, Bradley." He taps his employee ID on the screen. The kiosk uses facial recognition to confirm it's him. No buddy punching here. Attendance is recorded in a flash. Bradley likes this system. It's fast, accurate, and keeps things organized. Plus, no more lost time cards or forgotten punch-outs. It's all about accountability and efficiency in this factory, and that suits Bradley just fine. Before the workday starts, Bradley joins his team for their morning huddle. But there are no whiteboards or crowded conference rooms here. They gather around a large screen, their faces illuminated by the glow of a Microsoft Teams call. The team leader shares the day's production goals and any updates. This is where technology shines. Everyone, no matter where they are, is in the loop. Real-time communication keeps the factory humming like a well-oiled machine. Bradley appreciates the transparency and the chance to connect with his colleagues. It's amazing how technology can bring people together, even in a massive factory. Section 4. Monitoring the machines. A symphony of data. Bradley's workstation is equipped with a state-of-the-art tablet, a tool that is essential in today's advanced manufacturing environment. This isn't your grandma's iPad. It's a powerful device designed for industrial use. This tablet is his window into the factory floor, providing him with a comprehensive view of operations. He uses it to monitor the production line in real time, ensuring that every machine is functioning optimally. The screen displays a dizzying array of data, machine output, energy consumption, even temperature readings, all in real time. Don't let the numbers scare you. Each piece of data is crucial for maintaining efficiency. Bradley knows what to look for. He's trained to interpret these numbers and make quick decisions. He can spot a potential problem before it even arises, thanks to predictive analytics. This is where smart manufacturing gets really interesting. The technology allows for proactive measures. By analyzing the data, Bradley and his team can optimize performance, reduce waste, and ensure everything is running smoothly and efficiently. It's like being a conductor, leading an orchestra of machines, each playing its part in perfect harmony. Section 5. Sustainable success. Little changes, big impact. Lunch break. It's a moment to relax and recharge. But first, it's time for the daily sustainability reminder, a small nudge towards a greener future. A message pops up on Bradley's tablet. Every can counts. Remember to recycle. It's a simple yet powerful reminder. The factory takes its environmental responsibility seriously, and Bradley's all for it. He appreciates the effort. He's seen firsthand how small changes can make a big difference. It's inspiring to witness the collective effort. The factory has implemented a comprehensive recycling program involving everyone in the process. And they're constantly looking for ways to reduce their carbon footprint. Innovation and sustainability go hand in hand. Bradley finishes his lunch, feeling good about his contribution to a greener planet. Every action counts. It's not just about building things anymore. It's about creating a sustainable legacy. It's about building a better future, one step at a time. And that's a job worth doing. Together, we can make a difference.